over here. Everything's falling. Okay. Ben and Jerry, the men behind ice cream. Written by Kelly Howe. When I think of dessert, I always think of ice cream. It's hard for me to resist that creamy sweet treat. In the US, vanilla, V-A-N-I-L-L-A, remains the most popular flavor, but certain companies are shaking things up. Ben & Jerry's ice cream is one of those companies. Flavors like Cherry Garcia, G-A-R-C-I-A, Half-Baked, and Chunky Monkey set them apart. Today we're going to learn a little bit more about the innovators, I-N-N-O-V-A-T-O-R-S, behind these tempting treats and the ways in which they are changing the ice cream industry. All right, let's do some spell words first.
Yeah.
Here's your pants on. Oh, actually, let me use this one.
Yeah.
All right. I don't have a good place to put the phone. Sorry, it's right there. We'll start on this board, okay?
Yeah.
All right, let's spell dessert. You ready?
Yeah.
All right. D and E and S and double S and E and R and T. Good job. Dessert. Now spell flavor.
Yeah.
Ready?
Yeah.
Okay. F and L and A. Next word. B and O and R. Good job. Flavor. Your lessons makes flavors, huh? Okay. What is the most popular flavor of ice cream in the United States?
I don't know.
You ready?
Yeah.
You got this. And look at the letter. Look. Good. B and A and jump up and I and L and L and A. Good job.
Vanilla.
Yep, I love how you say that. Most popular vanilla. But you say vanilla.
Yeah.
I love it. All right, what company is it talking about that's shaking things up? You ready?
Yeah.
Okay. B and E and next word. N and Ben. A and N and up. D. Ben and you got it. Ready? Here, sit up straight. All right. Go ahead.
Bell.
Up one. You got it. J and E and R and R and Y. Ben and Jerry.
Yeah.
Sorry, my foot on yours. Okay. Oh no, what happened? There's not enough questions on these. All right, so who owns Ben and Jerry? It's actually Ben and Gerald. Oh, it's actually Ben and Jerry. Ben Cohen and Jerry Greenfield, Greenfield, have been friends since childhood. They were both born in Brooklyn, Brooklyn, New York in 1951. When they tell the story of how they met, they agree on one thing. We are two of the slowest, fattest kids in our 7th grade gym class. Ben says that Jerry was funny, smart, and dependable. Jerry says that Ben was the kind of guy that didn't do his homework and didn't even offer an excuse. That's crazy, huh? That's Ben. All right, so first question is
1950. 1951.
Yep. That's what I was gonna ask you.
What? 1951.
Okay. What state were they born in? Ready?
Yeah.
All right. You got it. Next door. N and E and W. New. Y and you had it. O and R and jump up. Okay. Good job. New York.
New York.
Mm-hmm. New York. So they were born in New York in what year?
Yeah. 1951.
Good.
1951.
You're right. Okay, number 3. What class did they meet in? Ready?
Yeah.
Go ahead. Up, up, up. Next door. G and Y and you had it. M. Good. Was I holding it up too high? There you go. Perfect. They met in gym class.
Almost done.
Okay. All right, before starting the company, both boys had some previous ice cream experience. Ben drove an ice cream truck during his senior year of high school. After high school, Ben attended several colleges and dropped out of every one. Eventually, he decided to stop studying completely and found work on a farm in Adirondack, Adirondack region of New York. In his free time, he dabbled, dabbled, or to casually take part in an activity, in pottery and, you guessed it, ice cream making. Okay. In high school, what did Ben drive? You ready?
Yeah.
Go ahead.
Yeah.
Look at the letter.
Yeah.
Look, look, look. I and C and E. Ice. C and R and E and A and jump down. M. Ice cream.
Ice
T
cream.
and R and U and C. Okay, good job. He drove an ice cream truck. Would you drive an ice cream truck?
No.
No. Okay, where was the farm? What region was the farm in? You ready?
Yeah.
Okay. Go ahead. A and you had it. D and I and R and O and N and D and up, 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 up. A and C. Okay, good job. All right, Jerry took a different path. His goal was to study medicine at Oberlin College, Oberlin. Jerry was an ice cream scooper in the cafeteria, Cafeteria. When he graduated, he moved to Manhattan to share an apartment with Ben. He applied to several different medical schools and worked as a lab technician, Technician, while he waited for a response. Unfortunately, he was rejected by every school. All right, what field did Jerry want to go into?
I don't know.
You got this.
Yeah.
Get your eyes on the letter. Jump down. M and E and D and I and C and N and E. Good job. Medicine. what college did he attend? Ready?
Yeah.
Okay. Here, hold it like that. There you go. Go ahead. O and B and E. R and L and I and N. Good job. Oberlin. I've never heard of that. Have you?
Nope.
Okay, a few years passed before Ben and Jerry decided to go into business together. They originally wanted to open a bagel shop. When they priced out equipment, they found that it would cost about $40,000 to get into the bagel business. They decided that ice cream had to be cheaper. The guys saved up some money, $6,000 to be exact, 6,000, and bought a dilapidated dilapidated, which means rundown, gas station in Burlington, Burlington, Vermont. They fixed up the building, and in 1978, they opened their own shop. Let's see what the shop was like. Let's do the questions first. Okay. When did they open up their own shop? What year? Oops. Ready?
Yeah.
Okay, go ahead.
1978.
Perfect.
1978.
You're right. 1978. Okay. What did Ben and Jerry originally want to sell besides ice cream? Ready?
Yeah.
All right, get your eye on it. B and A and you had it. Jump up. G and E and L and jump S. Good job. Bagels. They were gonna sell bagels.
Yep.
Okay. How much did it cost them to start their ice cream business?
I don't know.
Ready?
Yeah.
You got this. 6 and 0, 0, 0. Good job. $6,000
Yeah.
to start their business. Okay, and what state was the scoop shop in?
I don't know.
You got this, dude.
What?
You ready?
Yeah.
All right, eyes on that letter. Down, down, down. B and E and R and M and O and N and T. Good job. That was awesome. It was Vermont.
Yeah.
What state? Vermont. My aunt lives there. All right, their business grew rapidly. Thanks to this delicious ice cream and creative flavors, their shop became a local favorite. The shop was also popular because Ben and Jerry made it a point to connect with the community. They hosted a free film festival, gave away free scoops on the first anniversary of the store, and began making pints to sell to local grocers. In 1981, they expanded their operation across state lines. The duo opened a franchise, Franchise, in Maine, Maine, and worked with a company out of Boston to begin distributing their product in more grocery stores. As the company grew, more signature flavors were introduced. Flavors like Chunky Monkey, banana ice cream with fudge chunks and walnuts, Cherry Garcia, which is cherry ice cream with fudge flakes, and New York Super Fudge Chunk, chocolate ice cream with white and dark fudge chunk, pecans, walnuts, and fudge, boosted sales to 32 million million. By the end of 1988, 1988, the company was operating in 18 states. 18. All right. What was the second state to get a Ben & Jerry's franchise?
I don't know.
You got this, dude.
Yeah.
Okay, go ahead. Jump down. M and A and I and N and
Yep.
E. Good job. Maine.
Hey.
M-A-I-N-E.
Yep. Yeah.
How many states was the company operating in at the end of 1988?
Yeah. 18.
Perfect. 18 states. That's a lot.
18.
How many states? Okay.
What?
One of the flavors I mentioned was chunky what?
Yeah.
Ready?
Yeah.
Okay, go ahead. Jump down. M and O and N and K and E and ready? M-O-N-K-E
T.
Y.
Y.
Perfect.
Are we done?
Almost.
Yeah.
All right. The road to success was not without potholes. The company faced some difficult moments along the way. Even though Ben & Jerry were wildly successful because of their funky flavors. Say funky flavors.
Yeah. Funky flavors.
Not everyone appreciated their creativity. To cater to the market that preferred more traditional flavors, the company released a line of smooth, no chunks flavors. Ben & Jerry also struggled with competition in rapidly growing market. Haagen-Dazs, H-A-A-G-E-N-D-A-Z-S, and Dreyer's, D-R-E-Y-E-R-S, were the company's major competitors. All three brands were fighting to stay relevant in the premium ice cream market.
Yeah.
Ooh, look at that. Ben & Jerry made it through the hardships without too much trouble. In 1999, the company announced that larger films were interested in purchasing the brand. A year later, Unilever, U-N-I-L-E-V-E-R, an international food giant, purchased the Ben & Jerry's brand for $326 million. $326 million. One caveat, C-A-V-E-A-T, or specific stipulation or condition, was that Ben & Jerry would operate separately from Unilever's other ice cream brands, thus preserving the reputation. All right, what year? What year was the company purchased? Ready?
I don't know.
You got this. 1999. Good job. 1999.
Yeah.
I almost wrote on that. Oh, that's right. 1999. How much money was it worth? Blank $1 million. Ready?
Yeah.
Okay.
I don't know.
Yep.
3.
You have it. 2. 326. Good job.
Yeah.
What word did I use that means a specific stipulation or or condition? Ready?
Yeah.
Okay. Go ahead. Jump over. C and A and V and E and A and T. Good job. All right, because Ben & Jerry's operates independently from under a new company, it continues to operate in the socially conscious manner that has been in the fabric of the company from its inception or starting point. In 1989, the company created a green team who focused on environmental education throughout the company. They also have a company bus equipped with solar panels, use hormone-free milk in their products, and demonstrate a commitment to reducing waste and recycling. The men behind Ben & Jerry's brand have made quite a name for themselves. While ice cream was not the plan for either of them, they've built a socially conscious empire.
Yeah.
They have changed the ice cream industry, and now they are using ice cream to change the world. All right, what word did I use that means starting point?
Yeah.
Ready?
Yeah.
Okay, go ahead. Jump down. I and N and C and E and P and jump down. T and I and O and N. Good job. Inception. And what year did it say
Yeah.
the company created a green team?
What?
1989. That's right, 1889. Whoops. All right, and lastly,
1989.
that's right. While ice cream was not the plan for either of them, they have built a socially conscious what? Ready?
Yeah.
All right, last question. Go ahead. E and M and P and I and R and E. Empire.
Yeah.
Good job. Do you want to lay on that bed for a minute?
Yeah.